Good morning students. Last class we explained LCM by using prime factorization method. Today we will discuss LCM by using division method. In this method, same we are following like a prime factorization, but at a time in prime factorization we are taking separately. In division method we have to take at a time each and every number the prime factorization, on that just we have to multiply, then we will get answer. Then first one, same problems we have to take LCM of 12 and 18. LCM of 12 and 18. 12 and 18. For this we have to by use division method. 12, 18, right, like this. Okay, 12, 18. In that, in prime factorization method we have to take separately, but in division method we are using prime factorization process only, but we have to take at a time. See, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. Next again, 2 3 are 6, but in 2 table there is no 9. In 2 table there is no 9. Write like that only. Okay, write like that only. Same. Next, in 3 and 9 is there. It's not possible 2 numbers with 2. Then we will go to 3. 3 1 jar, 3 3 jar. 3 1 jar, 3 3 jar. Then the process will end. Why? Because here we got prime number and 1. Okay, like that one more 3 will be here, then we have to take with 3 1 jar, 3 1 jar. This is the process. Now LCM is equal to, otherwise if you write one more step, see, 3 1 jar, 3 1 jar, 3 1 jar, 3 1 jar. The process we have to continue up to here. Last we will get ones. Okay, last we will get ones. Up to we have to continue the process. Now write LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1 into 1 also we can take, 1 into 1 also we can take, but any number should multiply with 1, we'll get same number. That's why we have to leave, otherwise we have to write 2 2 jar 4, 4 3 jar 12, 12 3 jar 36, 36 1 jar 36, 36 1 jar 36. The LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. The LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Okay, this is the process by using division method. This is very shortcut method and very useful method to compare to listed and prime factorization method. This is very easy, and is in this method is very within short time we have to finish the problem within short time. Okay, in prime factorization method we have to separately we have to find out each and every number prime factorization. After we have to take the common numbers, after we have to take the remaining numbers, should multiply again, then we will get answer. But the division method is very useful, very easy also. Then directly have to do. Well, one more problem I will explain before going that. See, 12 and 18 write separately, then it is possible to, then we will go with 2, otherwise we will go with 3. In some numbers is not possible with 3 and 4, 3 and 2 also. That number we have to go with 5, 7, 11, etc. Okay, like that. 2 6 jar 12, 2 9 jar 18. Up to we are continue this process until last ones. Okay, then should multiply like this order. In case here ones not there, so many numbers is there, means like this. Okay, should multiply 2 2 jar 4, 4 3 jar 12, 12 3 jar 36. 36 is the least common multiple of 12 and 18. See, 36 is more than the 12 and 18. Okay, now we'll go one more problem. 40, 48, 45. Same problem. 40, 48, 45. Okay, 40, 48, 45. To find LCM of 40, 48, 45. Okay, now first write 40, 48, 45 like this. Okay, see, first the two numbers are even number, that's why we'll start with 2. 220 jar 40, 224 jar 48, but 45 not possible, right? Same like as. This is very important in LCM. Okay, if any number is not divisible, write as it is, write as it is. If you write 222 jar 44 remainder 1, if you use that method, is wrong. Is not divisible by any number, write same as it is. Next, again with 2, 210 jar, 212 jar 45, same. 25 jar, 26 jar 45, same. 5, 23 jar. Now observe, any number is not possible with 2. Any number is not possible with 2, that's why I am taking with 3. 5 write as it is. With the 3, 5 also not possible, that's why write as it is. Okay, 3 1 jar 3, 3 15 jar, 3 15 jar. Again with 3 only. 5 1 3 5 jar 15. Now see here, down 2 5s is there, down 2 5s is there. Then we'll take common. 5 1 jar 1 1. Then the process will end. Then the process will end. See one time, with the 220 jar 40, 224 jar 48, 45 not possible. That's why I am writing up same as it is 45. Up to 210 jar 20, 25 jar 10, to 12 jar 24, 45 writing, I am writing as it is. Here 5 also not possible with 2, that's why I am writing up to last as it is. Then 2 6 jar 12, 2 3 jar 6. Okay, then 45 also I am writing as it is. Then next we will go to with 3. If you are writing, first we are taking, if you take 5 also, will get same procedure. Will get same value, same procedure, but the values will be changed order. Here see, first ascending order, first 2's is completing here, after 3's, after 5 should multiply this way. Now LCM is equal to 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. Next 3 how many times? 2 times. 3 into 3 and 1 time 5 and 1 time 5. Just observe, 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2, 2 times 3 and 1 time 5. Multiply 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 8 2 jar 16, 16 3 jar 48. Okay, otherwise with 5 is there, no. First 5 2 jar 10, 10 2 jar 20, 22 jar 40, 42 jar 80, 89 jar 720. Way of multiplication also important. Okay, see first 5 is there. In 5 is there means compulsory should multiply with 2 or 4. We will get 10 or 20. If the 0 value, then easy to multiply any number. Okay, 5 2 jar 10, 3 3 jar 9 there is. Okay, 10 2 jar 20, 22 jar 40, 42 jar 80, 89 jar 720. Already this problem we completed previous class. by using prime factorization method. In that time also we got answer 720. Here also we got 720. The process is quite different. See, in prime factorization method we find for 40 separate prime factorization and for 48 separate and 45 separate. On that we collected first common numbers. Is not there common numbers means have to take the remaining numbers. First of all we have to check 3 numbers. In 3 numbers is there any common digits? That we have to separate. Is not there means we have to check with 2 numbers. 2 numbers, is there any common numbers? That numbers are to separate. Then should multiply remaining numbers. But in the division method we have to apply this process until up to ones. Okay, last we have to ones. These are prime numbers. Just observe 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 also prime number. Then they should multiply from top to bottom or bottom to top also will get same value. When top to bottom means we have to take ascending, means small to big, 2 and 3 and 5. In case is not possible with 5 will go to 7. Not possible with 7 will go to 11, like that. Okay, this is the process. Why? Because the prime factors only in the process we have to apply. Remaining numbers means we'll get different values. That's why we have to apply compulsory prime numbers only. Okay, this is the process by using the LCM, by using division method. Okay students, these are the 3 types: listed method and prime factorization method and division method. Next class we will explain one more method, means for division method to HCF also. Okay, in this class we completed 3 methods. In next class we will explain the division method of HCF and the relation between HCF and LCM. Thank you students.